The automotive world is currently undergoing a massive shift, and at the absolute center of this transformation is China. For decades, vehicles coming out of Chinese factories were largely dismissed by international buyers as cheap, uninspired clones of Western or Japanese designs, built with questionable quality and dismal safety records. But if you look at the global market today, that old stereotype has completely vanished. Chinese automakers have evolved at a breakneck pace, moving from simple manufacturing plants to global powerhouses that dictate the direction of electric powertrains, software integration, and battery technology. Millions of drivers across Europe, South America, Australia, and the Middle East are actively putting these vehicles in their driveways. However, this explosive growth has created a confusing and highly volatile market for regular consumers. With dozens of new brands emerging seemingly overnight, the gap between the industry elite, the underwhelming choices, and the downright problematic models has never been wider. When separating the absolute best options from the pack, the conversation invariably begins with companies that control their own engineering and supply chains. Build Your Dreams, universally known as BYD, has established itself as a premier force by approaching car manufacturing differently than traditional legacy brands. Instead of buying batteries from external suppliers, they started as a battery company first and applied that expertise to their vehicles. Their heavily praised battery pack uses a unique structural design known as the blade battery, which relies on lithium iron phosphate chemistry. This layout makes the battery incredibly compact and resistant to catching fire, even when experiencing severe physical damage or extreme temperatures. Vehicles like their sleek sedans and compact SUVs are winning over global buyers not just because they are competitively priced, but because their mechanical foundations are robust and built to endure years of daily abuse. Another standout leader on the premium end of the spectrum is Geely. Unlike many newer startups, Geely played a clever long game by acquiring established Western brands, most notably Volvo and Lotus. By integrating Volvo's legendary safety standards and engineering practices into their own development platforms, Geely essentially bypassed the decades-long learning curve that typically holds back young automakers. Their shared mechanical architecture allows them to build highly durable, mechanically sound vehicles that perform flawlessly in strict international safety evaluations. Their premium electric branch, Zeekr, is rapidly capturing the premium market by offering exceptional driving dynamics, heavy-duty build quality, and cabins that feel just as solid as anything coming out of Germany, proving that Chinese manufacturing can easily compete at the highest tier of luxury. At the exact same time, major technology giants are stepping onto the asphalt and rewriting how a car should interact with its driver. Xiaomi, a company world-famous for smartphones and home appliances, shocked the industry by launching vehicles that feel like rolling supercomputers. Their integration of software is flawless, allowing a driver's phone, home smart devices, and vehicle dashboard to operate as one seamless ecosystem. During major automotive exhibitions, Xiaomi has consistently drawn massive crowds by previewing high-performance electric supercars and demonstrating charging systems that can add hundreds of miles of range in just a few minutes. Huawei is taking a similar path by partnering with traditional manufacturers to supply the brains of the vehicle, offering advanced driver assistance systems and digital cabins that monitor passenger vitals and coordinate artificial intelligence agents to handle complex driving tasks. For tech-focused buyers, these offerings represent the absolute pinnacle of modern engineering. However, the rapid acceleration of the Chinese automotive industry means that not every brand is executing at this elite level, leading us directly into the territory of the worst options currently available. The intense pressure to bring new models to market as quickly as possible has caused a distinct stagnation in design and originality among some mid-tier brands. At recent automotive trade shows, analysts have pointed out an uncomfortable truth. Many newly debuted models are becoming virtually identical to one another. They use the same basic body shapes, the same generic digital screens, and the same outsourced software packages. Brands that lack the deep pockets of BYD or the premium engineering of Geely are struggling to stand out, resulting in uninspired vehicles that offer very little real substance beneath their shiny metal exteriors. The real danger for consumers looking at these less established brands is the long-term uncertainty of ownership. When you buy a vehicle from a brand new startup that has only been operating for a year or two, you are taking a massive financial gamble on whether that company will even exist in 5 years. The Chinese domestic market is currently locked in a brutal price war, forcing smaller automakers to sell vehicles at a loss just to stay alive. If a manufacturer goes bankrupt, owners are suddenly left with a depreciating asset that has no factory warranty, no software updates, and absolutely no access to replacement parts. Even for brands that manage to survive, their international distribution networks are often deeply flawed. Buyers in newly entered markets frequently complain about waiting months for simple replacement body panels or mechanical sensors, because the manufacturer rushed to export the cars before establishing a mature supply chain or training local mechanics. Beyond the financial risks of an unstable brand, the most critical factor any buyer must consider is physical safety, which brings us to the most dangerous cars to buy. While leading companies have worked tirelessly to achieve top marks in international crash tests, a troubling divide has emerged between those high-end models and budget-oriented vehicles rushed into production. In rigorous testing conducted by independent safety organizations like Euro NCAP, certain affordable Chinese compact cars and budget SUVs have suffered alarming failures. During high-speed impact simulations, some models have shown severe structural weakness, with cabin frames crumpling in ways that put passengers at immediate risk. Even more shocking are the mechanical failures during these tests, such as rare and dangerous seat structural collapses or seat belt failures that completely compromise passenger protection. Equally concerning is the erratic behavior of modern electronic driver assistance systems in lower-tier vehicles. To stay competitive on paper, many budget manufacturers pack their cars with digital features like autonomous emergency braking, lane keeping assistance, and blind spot monitoring. However, because these systems require immense testing and software refinement that cheap brands simply skip, the real-world performance can be terrifying. Drivers have reported instances where a vehicle abruptly slams on the brakes at highway speeds because the camera misidentified a shadow as an obstacle, a phenomenon known as phantom braking. Other systems struggle to recognize clear lane markings, actively steering the vehicle toward barriers or failing to intervene when an actual collision is imminent. Rushing unrefined automation software into a multi-ton vehicle creates an incredibly dangerous environment for everyone on the road. This stark contrast means that anyone looking to purchase a Chinese vehicle must look far past the attractive price tag and flashy digital dashboard displays. A long warranty, like the 7-year packages offered by established exporters such as Chery, is a genuine sign of corporate health and product confidence, backed by decades of international export experience. On the other hand, a deeply discounted vehicle from a brand you have never heard of should be approached with extreme caution. The Chinese automotive market is no longer a monolith of cheap cars. It is a highly fragmented spectrum ranging from world-class engineering marvels that are leaving traditional legacy automakers in the dust to rushed, fragile products that present genuine financial and physical hazards. Ultimately, the rise of Chinese cars is an unavoidable reality that is reshaping global transportation. The incredible speed of innovation, driven by breakthrough battery chemistry and centralized computer architectures, has proven that the top Chinese manufacturers are fully capable of building some of the most reliable and advanced vehicles on Earth. But as the global market fills with endless new options, the responsibility falls squarely on the consumer to separate the genuine innovators from the reckless imitators. By understanding which companies possess true engineering depth and which ones are merely cutting corners to join the electric rush, drivers can safely navigate this massive automotive revolution without falling victim to its hidden dangers. If you are interested in seeing exactly how these vehicles handle real-world challenges, you can watch this comprehensive 2026 BYD Auto Premium review to get a clear look at how one of China's most popular exports performs in daily driving conditions.